So I'm Joanne Little, I'm Managing Director of IPC Mouldings in Carrickfergus. IPC Mouldings is an AS 9100 certified advanced manufacturing company, and our main business activities are mould tool design and manufacture, injection moulding, CNC machining, and the assembly of products manufactured from advanced engineering thermoplastic materials. We got the SC21 Gold accreditation in 2019. We are the only company to go from SC21 bronze to silver to gold within a 5-year period. We weren't really looking to the future, we had no clear plan, and we were facing a number of challenges. We needed to move from that transaction-based relationship to a trusted supply chain partner, and to do that a change in culture was absolutely essential. We identified SC21 as a continuous improvement programme which would allow IPC to become more competitive and to focus on operational excellence, relationship management, supply chain partnerships. Being part of the SC21 community has enabled IPC to become immersed in the industry, going beyond supply chain by listening and understanding the needs and requirements of the primes. We're looking at what the current trends are in aviation, government strategies and policies, and how this impacts on our customers. Then we can make informed decisions on how we as sub-tiers proactively respond and align our future strategic position to those of the wider industry. For our Gold Award, we achieved a performance of 99.97% on quality and 99.7% on delivery. We are confident now to go and speak directly with primes and tier ones and put our proposals forward. The SC21 Gold Award gives them the confidence that they're dealing with a professional company who will do what they say they're going to do and will deliver their product on time and in full. As a trusted business partner, InvestNI has played a significant role in how we developed and matured as a company in the SC21 journey. Because we're a small region, we all know each other, we're all able to work together. We have got InvestNI and ADS and different bodies that bring us all together, make us all talk to each other, we're visible to each other, so together we can spot more opportunities for that high value business. What I would say to any supplier thinking about SC21, any sort of a change programme, we all have to change and adapt to remain relevant as a business. The world around us is changing and changing rapidly, and we need to change with it. We need to look at the trends, look at what the requirements are, look at the wider industry over the next 10 years, take that data that we know is out there and try and align our businesses to it. So for any company looking at SC21, certainly that gives them the toolkit to do that.